Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to turn on light mode on Reddit. Maybe you want a brighter and more traditional browsing experience which can be easier to read and navigate in well-lit environments. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on light mode on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll up, and here, you will now see this dark mode option. Since you wanted to turn on light mode, simply toggle off the switch next to this option. After that, you now have successfully turned on light mode on Reddit. The application interface will now be brighter and easier on the eyes. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on light mode on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to turn on light mode on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.